The T range from Hylec APL has turned the humble plastic cable gland into a simple but extremely effective range of IP68 outdoor connectors. This video shows how the connectors achieve completely waterproof connections quickly and without external screwed clamps. The Teetube is one of a number of products that make up the T family range. Each offers high levels of protection and an aesthetic finish. Connections are quick and easy. A simple dome-topped cable gland is positioned at each cable entry point to provide a quick and secure seal. The wire is passed through the gland and connected to a simple screw-fit terminal block to form the connection. This is then secured inside the connector and the cable glands are closed. The innovative range of IP68 connectors include the Teetube, the T-box and the T-plug. These are all approved to ISO 9002 quality standards. They are well-finished, high-quality products that offer aesthetically pleasing connections. A number of size and entry options are available. For further information, visit the Hylec APL website or contact a member of the Hylec APL sales team.